Well, we're just about ready to pull the old Evo out of Betty. She's pretty much ready to come out. We're just going to get a piece of plywood, sit her down on the floor. Of course, we got to grab a couple more beer out of the house. Celebrate once she's out. Anyway, I'm going to aim you down at the bike, and next little bit we should be lifting the motor out. Hopefully all goes well. And aim you down at the bike. Make sure I got it lined up good here. Look at the back. Yeah, right about there. Okay, we'll be back on in a sec.
So don't hit it. Okay?
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna lift her out. Clean. Okay, hang on. Find something there to grab.
Fuck, that's fucking heavy.
Clean and go.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Down. You're holding everything.
Alright.
There she is.
Hang on.
Big old V twin. Nothing ever gonna hit. Lay down. Good?
Good.
Down. Home free. Well, there we go, guys. The motor's out. Whew. Yeah, I guess I can let this back down now. Don't need it up that high when we're not.
Nope.
Just jacked it up so it wasn't so fucking high to lift that motor. Catch that dog. Yep. Just want it sitting on the dog instead of the pressure of the jack. Yeah, we're good there. Well, there we go, guys. Whoops, a little wobbly. Okay, motor's out. Sitting on the floor. A little extra wood for the stove. Time to play. What do we got up here? 4 bolts, the head covers are off. This motor's never been apart. And it's got 330,000 kilometers on it. Can't wait to get started. Where'd the flashlight go, Wayne? Over here with the other stuff?
Yeah, it's probably the tools.
Nope. Not there.
Not there?
Nope. Over here? Yep. Top of the toolbox. Just looking in there for something to do. I didn't realize it went right through there like that. Kind of neat. Anyway. We'll be back when we get at the rest of her. Talk soon. Well, we're just going to make a little outro for the videos. Me and Wayne, we're doing a little work on the bike. And we're just going to make a little outro. There's Wayne. I want to say hi to everyone. Bye to everyone.
Hi, girls.
Till the next video. And of course, we're sitting by the fire, having a beer. Take care, guys. Talk to you later.